Did you know the state of Texas is holding onto millions of dollars just waiting to be claimed, and some of that money might be yours? Let's dive right in and find out how to search for and claim your unclaimed funds using the official Texas Comptroller website first. Head over to claimitexas.org. You'll see a large search bar right on the homepage. This is where the treasure hunt begins. Type in your first and last name or the name of a business or deceased relative. Be sure to try variations of your name, like nicknames or maiden names, to broaden your search. Once you hit enter, the website will display a list of potential matches. Now, carefully review each result to see if it belongs to you. Pay attention to the address and the description of the property. If you find a match, click on the claim button next to the listing. You'll be directed to a claim form. Fill it out accurately and completely. This is where you'll provide your current address, contact information, and explain your relationship to the original owner of the funds if it's not you. Be prepared to upload supporting documents to verify your identity and ownership. This might include a copy of your driver's license, social security card, utility bill, or even legal documents if you're claiming on behalf of someone else. Once you've submitted your claim and all supporting documents, the Texas Comptroller's office will review it. Processing times can vary, but be patient. If your claim is approved, you'll receive a check in the mail. Don't leave money on the table. Start your search today at claimitexas.org. Good luck!